I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then run the first commands. This gets the environment deterministic. Install Node.js, Python, and Docker now, then clone the repository and fetch weights so files match expected checksums. Once done, create and activate a virtualenv and export OLM-env and API KEY so the runtime picks your credentials. Run the initial Bootstrap script to pull dependencies. This prepares service containers and model files, so the following steps operate quickly and predictably. Now you configure and launch the core services, paying attention to resource limits and GPU flags because performance depends on them. Open config. YAML and set ports, memory limit, and GPU, true if a compatible GPU is present, then save and validate the file. Bring up infrastructure with Docker Compose upd and watch logs to catch failures early. Once containers are healthy, start the head process with /run head sh workers n to allocate worker processes. This step wires the head to backends and begins model initialization. Finish by validating the running system and resolving common issues. You want confirmation that inference works and is stable. Call the health check endpoint and run a sample inference request. If responses are slow, scale workers or raise memory limit and restart the head. Make sure to tail logs for the container, head process, and model loader to spot missing weights or OOMs. If problems persist, restart services in sequence and reproduce the error while capturing logs for targeted fixes. This isolates the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.